Hi, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com, and we're here tonight to do another unboxing video. I do want to tell you that I did receive these items for free or at a reduced price in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own, and if you're wondering what's on my hands, I'm having a little outbreak of poison ivy, so I put some calamine lotion on it. So let's begin with this item right here. It's in one of those plastic envelopes that I just don't like. But let's get it open and see what's inside. Alrighty, here we go. It's very well packaged. Okay. These are different curtain tiebacks, little stars and butterflies. There's actually 2 sets of the butterflies, 2 sets of the stars, so 4. And then these are little round button tiebacks, so very cute. They actually clip magnetically somehow. And in this box, we have a car smartphone holder. Let me reach down here for my carpet knife so I can slice this open. It is from GULAKI. Okay. And look at that. Okay, this is actually a bicycle mount car phone holder. Look at that. Okay, so I don't know why it says car, but this is actually for a bicycle. And I think it's a wonderful idea. Okay, so I received the smartphone holder for a bicycle, and I received the magnetic curtain tiebacks. It's going to take a little work to get that back in there to sew. Okay, there we go. Okay. I received the stars, the butterflies, and the circles. This has been Sheri Ann Richerson with experimentalhomesteader.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great night.